हरिः कन्ना।
So now let's extend this discussion of data types uh, further. So let's look into the various statistics and mathematics techniques that can be applied to the data types based on their nature. So here are different types of uh, data types that we have on the screen. So one is independent variable level and the other one is dependent variable level. Let's make it very simple. So for me, an independent variable level or X and dependent is Y. Okay. So now the first case, if dependent is continuous and independent is dichotomous, then the following statistical techniques can be used. That is independent samples, that's t-test, and linear regression can be applied to this. And second, if dependent variable, that is our y, is continuous variable, that's a numerical, and then if x is nominal or ordinal, either one works, then we can go for the ANOVA, ANOVA. And if dependent variable, that's y, is continuous and independent variable is also continuous, is absolutely numerical data, so then we can do the linear regression and Pearson's correlation also. We can do the linear regression as well as Pearson's correlation. So then we have dichotomous. If y is dichotomous or binary and independent variable, that's x, is continuous or categorical, then we'll be going for the binary logistic regression or logistic regression. That's where the logistic regression comes into the picture, because if you know the type of variable, and then uh, and the purpose of variable, so then you can easily decide what algorithm to be used there. So that's why I'm extending my discussion to this section also, this slide also. So ordinal, if y is ordinal and x is continuous or categorical, then we can go for the ordinal logistic regression. If both are categorical, dependent variable is also categorical and independent variable is also categorical, that's y is categorical, x is also categorical. It's pretty simple, it's chi-square. It's chi-square. And what all are these mean? So we will be discussing about the each and every statistical technique in our next course. But for now, just understand the advantage of knowing the type of data